Trailer light kit for under 80-inch. Kit includes stop, tail, turn signal lights, 2 amber clearance lights and wiring harness. 25 feet split Y-style harness and 4 feet 4-pole color-coded copper wires. Large 4.5-inch x 5-inch lenses and includes license plate light and bracket. Top reviews from the United States. Great light set. Easy to install. Good directions, good quality wire included. I considered getting digital lights, but they cost more and the ones I looked at required an extra ground wire for the side marker lights. These don't. To use my existing wire holding tubes which all ran down one side of the trailer, I had to reuse some of my old wire to have enough. Lights are bright. Note: my original side marker lights mounted with one center bolt. These in this set have 2 screw holes, one on each end, so you may have to drill new holes.